Hey everybody, Matt Rosenthal, CEO of Mindcore Technology Group, coming to you guys again today from the home office, which, as you know, doubles as my dog's house, my gym, my recording studio for videos, my office, and the place where I practice guitar. So what I want to talk with you guys about today is talent, okay? Is talent more important right now, or is commitment, discipline, resilience, and perseverance more important right now? Now, think about what's happening in the economy right now. Think about what's happening in business right now, and how the playing field is being totally leveled. If you're trying to get new business right now, about the most you can do is pick up the phone and dial. How is that not leveling the playing field? Right now, it's like the people who dial more and make more contacts with people and have more conversations have more of a chance of developing relationships and increasing their business, right? So, I'm saying that from a business owner's point of view at a time where the economy appears to be contracting. It is contracting. We're going to be hearing about millions and millions and millions of people losing jobs, which is absolutely it's terrible what's happening around us. Everything will be fine in the long run. It always is. But right now it's a bad situation that's unfolding. So stop and think about what it is that is leveling the playing field, even when it comes to getting back to work when that time comes, right? Well, ask yourself the question right here. I'm not sure if this is showing this backwards to you guys or not, but I'm going to read it again. Is talent more important right now, or is commitment, discipline, perseverance, and resilience more important? If you follow me, if you know me, if you speak with me on a regular basis, you'll know that my belief system in general. Listen, I'm a guy who grew up in a garden apartment. I would say, I grew up in an affluent town, but I would not even classify myself as having grown up even lower middle class at the most, maybe. Grew up in a 2-bedroom garden apartment. My father had died when I was 12, so it was me, my mother, my brother, and we lived off of government assistance. That was it. That's how I grew up. And I grew up around wealthy people in a wealthy town, being essentially the quote-unquote poor kid. It is interesting how I navigated life, and little by little, it was not that I ever had some natural talent, and I certainly was never the smartest person in any room. I can assure you of that. But I can tell you that what I did have as a 10, 12-year-old kid, and what I have to this day as a 47-year-old, I've got perseverance, dedication, commitment, discipline. I've got grit. And the thing is, this is a time where it is more important than ever to realize you can be the most talented person in the room. But if you're not the hardest working person, if you're not the most dedicated, committed person, you're really going to have a tough time competing with the people that are. So in other words, don't let your talent, your natural ability, your natural intellect, your natural ability in whatever it may be, fool you into thinking that that's somehow going to let you exceed, right? The people around you. Because the people around you that are working harder, that have more grit, discipline, commitment, perseverance, dedication, they will come out ahead of you. Look, you can look at guys like Michael Jordan. He'll look. The guy has natural ability. But if you ever watch any of his stories, and certainly several other really well-known athletes that are household names, they all tell you the same exact thing. Okay. Yes, they have natural ability, they have talent, but it was their work ethic. Getting up before the sun comes up, working until you can't go anymore, working weekends, and then putting time in to hone your skills over and over and over and over. That's discipline, that's practice, that's perseverance, that's grit, that's dedication. That will absolutely win any day over somebody who's got natural talent.